SERES combats climate change by unleashing youth leadership for a resilient future. Now, we invite you to join an innovative effort to support SERES' local solutions to global warming while also becoming more carbon conscious. Okay, so what's this about? Well, we all know that flying and driving emit CO2, which contributes to global warming and is leading to rising sea levels, extreme weather events, widespread droughts, and other dire impacts. And while it's important to reduce our emissions, the question is what to do about all our unavoidable travel. So far, the main solution has been carbon offsetting, which works by paying a company to plant trees or do something that reduces the same amount of CO2 as we emit so that we can then claim to be carbon neutral. The problem is that offsetting is inefficient and controversial. SERES wants to do more. Rather than focus on solely carbon mitigation and neutrality, we want to be conscious of the actual costs of our emissions and support meaningful solutions that address the causes as well as the impacts of global warming. How? Well, using online tools developed by the social venture Earthdeeds, SERES measures the emissions from our office and work-related travel. We reduce these emissions where we can, and we account for the externalized cost of these emissions by supporting the SERES Green Fund, which awards cash prizes and scholarship funds each year to youth-led sustainability projects and young sustainability ambassadors from climate-vulnerable communities in Central America. Earthdeeds calls this onsetting. And we now invite you to become carbon conscious about your own travel and support the Green Fund in the process. It's all very easy and will only take a few minutes of your time. We've created a team page for SERES supporters where you can click the Add Emissions button to be brought to our custom calculator. And then you can input your flights and ground transportation to estimate your travel emissions and learn what this means in real-world terms. For example, a round-trip flight from Orlando to Managua emits almost a metric ton of CO2. It's about the same as watching over 11,000 hours of TV, or the annual emissions of someone living in El Salvador. You can then see an estimate of the social cost, the anticipated economic damages of these emissions, and donate some or all of that amount to support the SERES Green Fund. You can also share the Green Fund project page with others and crowdfund additional contributions to account for any remaining emissions that you're not able to pay for yourself. Thank you, because global warming is unfolding in our lifetimes. We can't wait for others to fix things. We're excited to work together to be the change we wish to see in the world. Please click the links to start onsetting now. Thank you.